Services.msc is the dedicated Service Manager extension to the Microsoft Management Console file format used by the Windows operating system. This is a console that allows users to turn Windows services on or off. In some cases, you may experience the problem with Services.msc not opening. When you are facing this problem, it means that the system files are either damaged or corrupted. Hi, this is Rubel from Tech Review. Today I am here to show you how to fix the services won't open on Windows 10 in the various method. To fix this issue, restart your computer. If you encounter an error that prevents you from opening the Services.msc application, or if the application freezes, the best solution is to restart your computer. Restarting the system gets rid of system errors. If the problem persists, try the next solutions. Run the system file checker, click on the Start menu, type cmd. After appearing the command prompt, right-click on it. Click on the Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. After opening the command prompt, input the command, sfc/scannow. Press Enter. It will take few minutes, please wait until it finishes. Once the sfc scan is complete, we will run the dism command. Type the command, dism, /online, /cleanup-image /RestoreHealth. Press Enter. Please wait, it will also take few minutes. Both command is available under the description. After finishing the processes, try to open Services.msc. If it did not fix the issue, follow the next method. Reassociate the MSC file extension with MMC. Right-click on the Start menu. From this Power menu, click on the Settings. After opening the settings, click on the Apps. On the left side, click on Default Apps. On the right side, scroll down and click on the Choose Default Apps by File Type. From this list, find their MSC. Click its default program, and set the program to Microsoft Management Console. Close this window, and try to open Service.msc. If it did not work, try to re-register DLL files. Click on the Start menu. Type cmd. After appearing the command prompt, right-click on it. Click on the Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. After opening the command prompt, input the displayed command, one by one. This command is available under the description. Now restart the computer. After restarting, hope your problem solved. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like this. Please do subscribe to my channel. Also give a like please. Take care.